How do I mute direct messages on Instagram?
Hello and welcome to our quick guide. Today, we're going to show you how to mute direct messages on Instagram. This can be handy when you need some peace and quiet, or just want to limit notifications from a specific chat. Let's dive right in.
What is muting on Instagram?
Muting on Instagram is a feature that allows you to silence notifications from specific users without blocking or unfollowing them. You can mute either posts, stories, or direct messages, and today, we're focusing on the latter.
How do you access your direct messages?
Before you can mute a conversation, you need to access your direct messages. Here's how. 1. Open your Instagram app on your phone. 2. On the top right corner of your screen, you will see an icon that looks like a paper airplane. This is the direct messages icon. Tap it.
How do you mute a conversation?
Now that you're in your direct messages, let's mute a conversation. 1. Find the chat you wish to mute and swipe left on it. This should reveal a set of options. 2. Tap the More button. 3. In the menu that appears, select Mute Messages.
What happens after you mute a conversation?
Once a conversation is muted, you will not receive push notifications for that specific chat. However, you will still receive the messages, and you can still read them by opening the conversation. The other person will not be notified that you've muted them.
How do you unmute a conversation?
If you wish to unmute a conversation, simply 1. Swipe left on the muted chat. 2. Tap the More button. 3. In the menu that appears, select Unmute Messages. And that's it. You now know how to mute and unmute direct messages on Instagram. We hope you find this guide helpful. Remember, muting a conversation is a discreet way to manage your Instagram notifications without upsetting anyone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next guide.